Hello, this is Wendell from Only Weekends RV. When I first got my camper, I bought this backup camera and put it in. The only problem I got is it's continuous power to that camera up there. I've been looking for ways to cut the power off to it. So these are the ideas that I come up with. So follow me along and let's go inside. I got this spacer above my cabinets up here, and the backup camera 12-volt power, whoa, is right up there. Let's get this other side. I took that screw all the way out. All right, let's see if I got them all loose. I think I do. So what I got to do is I got to work one side down so I can tilt it. Work it down. Let's put this out of the way. So behind that panel, we have the 12 volts that go to the camera going right through the wall. Splicing the wires, this is what I bought, the little lever nut kits. And I just use these small ones here, cut into the wire, open them all the way up, cut in the wire and put one side into here, one side runs to the switch, and then use another one, put it in the opposite side of the switch and run it back up to the camera. I got this off of Amazon. I got a pack of 2 of these. It's just a switch. It comes with short wires and some crimps. And you basically just cut your hole in your cabinet, screw this down, run your wires up through, and you see it's got little clips on the side and it just snaps in. That's all that's up there. And also, I just picked up this wire at Walmart. This is trailer light wire you use for trailers. And what I did is I just split it in half, and it gives you. After splicing in, I went ahead and I put a little tape on just to make sure with the vibration that the little clips don't come out. So sorry for the trash. I didn't clean up too good, did I? And put it around it. And I put a toggle switch up in the shelf. And I can just cut the rear camera off, but plugged up and not using it. And right up there in that cabinet, right there. Not much to go. You'll never see it. Oh, I don't break anything. Just gotta work everything back up in the hole. Just slowly, a little bit at a time. There's that side. Ouch. There we go. Let me get one screw. Let me put this. Push it up in there. Pushed up in there. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you.